Maybe you're learning to play some of your favorite songs and you think, the way I'm playing this just sounds kind of dull, kind of boring, kind of bland. I'm going to show you a few tricks that pianists use to fancy up their playing. So we're going to take a really famous song. Now, I encourage you to learn this song in a very simple way at first. And so it'll sound something like this. This is a famous song called Misty. And I'm going to play it in the key of E flat major. So I'm just playing the basic chords in the left hand and then melody in the right. So that's just the first little bit. And so here's some things you can do if you play this song, or if you play any song. You can fancy it up by doing some things like this. And then just play the chord here, and then here. Fill in the space. You see, this particular song starts out da, da, dee, and then there's this long pause. And so now you've got space to do something. So you can do something as simple as this. Just play the chords. That's one thing you can do. Now, you don't necessarily have to play them block chords. You could break it up. Basically what I'm doing here is I'm playing an arpeggio, which is just a broken chord. Instead of playing, we play the notes one at a time. 1, 2, 4, cross over, 1, 2, 4. And the other thing is you don't necessarily have to play a song like this, these lush, romantic tunes. You don't have to play it in strict time. It's not like this is very romantic. You can take your time, speed up, slow down. And then here, the melody just kind of keeps going, so you don't have to fill in too much. But then you got all this space here. I'm just kind of playing the chords down here, and then playing them up here, and then here. I could also do something like this. Play a really fancy jazz chord. We'll learn those chords in due time. And so another fancy thing that you can do, I'm going to show you a way to play arpeggios that is not difficult, but can sound incredibly difficult if you do it right. You play the broken arpeggio, the broken chord, in your left hand. Play it again in your right hand. And then as you're playing it in your right hand, your left hand comes up and is ready to take over. It's actually easier to do in the key of C. So you can practice it in C and then transpose it into E flat if you like. So, and you notice you can play this pretty fast and it sounds pretty flashy. In fact, if you've ever heard the famous pianist Roger Williams, he uses this in a song called Born Free. Or something like that. I'm not playing it as cleanly as he would, but nevertheless, what he's doing, and what a lot of Liberace has done this, it's that simple. Well, as you can see, the possibilities are endless. So as you learn to play songs like this, any song that starts with a statement and then gives you a little space to fill, those are just a couple of the things that you can do, and you can combine them too. You don't have to play all arpeggios and all block chords. You can mix it up any way you like. Remember, the rule of this kind of piano playing is, if it sounds good, it is good. If you like the way it sounds, chances are really good that everybody who's listening to you play is going to like the way it sounds too. So have some fun with the songs that you're learning to play. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, any comments, please leave those below in the comment section. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. That helps the channel a lot. That helps me continue to create videos like this that I hope will prove to be helpful to you. So thanks again, and I look forward to speaking to you in the next one.